Best Amazon Market Demand Forecasting. The best Amazon Market Demand Forecasting tools help sellers predict future product demand, plan inventory efficiently, and avoid costly stockouts or overstocking. Accurate forecasting ensures smoother operations, better cash flow, and smarter business decisions that align with real market trends and consumer behavior. A leading option for this is Helium 10, which uses advanced analytics to analyze sales data, market trends, and seasonal patterns. Its demand forecasting features give sellers clear insights into when and how much to restock, helping them anticipate demand spikes and plan inventory replenishment with precision. Top Amazon sellers rely on Helium 10 to make informed decisions about sourcing, pricing, and timing their product launches. By combining historical sales data with live market insights, they can react faster to changes in demand and maintain consistent growth in competitive categories. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you access to powerful demand forecasting, analytics, and optimization tools that help you predict market trends and scale your Amazon business confidently.